Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate meeting notes with Notion AI. So here's the step-by-step guide. Create a new page in Notion and give them title like meeting notes. And after when you just set it, and you will just use a database template like a table, which is bottom center. I will just tap on it, and right now I will just give them name of example. You can just organize meetings details such as like date, and again you will just tab on this plus icon, and you will just add it in like participants, and again you will just tab on it this plus icon and add some like notes. So now you will just enable a Notion AI access for available on paid plans right over here. So when you just purchase the plan, and while you will editing that table dataset of your meeting notes, you will be able to use AI assistant, but after subscription of Notion AI. And then you will just generate summaries automatically. Use Notion AI to summarize meeting discussions, highlight key takeaways, and extract action item. And if you want to just automate repetitive sections, so you will just integrate using of Zapier, create with calendar tools, and in real time collaboration you will just share the team page with a team member. So in this way you can just use Notion AI for automate meeting notes. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.